The Pod Files. Ma'am Lenny Vlog. Blunder Plan. Sir Lico. Oh, chess. They're playing chess. Nice. Ma'am Mary. Next. Ma'am Lucia. Busfield. Ma'am Morainon, living in Norway. Thank you. Sir MMD. Insan. Future X. Thank you. Kitten 76. Thank you. Lucia. Salamat. Ayun. It's very cold. It's very, very cold. Kakanta ako. Nag-play yung cellphone mo eh. I'm playing Chess Chaser and Disgusting Master Rank. You remind me of what I really am. It's not like you say sorry. I was waiting on a different story. This time I'm mistaken for handing you a heart worth breaking. And I've been wrong, I've been down. It's the bottom of every bottom. It's 5 words in my hands. In my hands, scream Mari, haven't found it yet. Yeah, no, yeah. Salamat guys. Ma'am Lucia, salamat Ma'am Lucia. Puspil, Sir MMD. Dulupin. Insan. Sa nandyan. 9 million na nandyan. So far away. Thank you so much. Magto 2 hours lang ako. Yan ko lang to. Isarado ko lang to ng 2 hours. Salamat. Ay, pag-ibig. Hindi na ako kakanta siguro. Naka-play na yung phone eh. Yung dalawa, naka-play na. So, hindi na lang. Next time. Relax muna tayo. Kasi medyo ngayon. It's tiring. You know why? My boss bought a new freezer. And we change the, what is this? The kitchen. I mean the position of each appliances. Bigat. Tumulong naman si amo ko, yung babae. Kaming dalawa. Kami yung nag-aano ng mga appliances, mga cabinet. Ayun. Ay, ang bigat. So far away, far away, far away for far too long. I keep dreaming you'll be with me and you'll never go. Thank you guys.